Okay, now we're given a set omega that is the collection of points that satisfies Ax equals to b. So A is a matrix, B is a vector. The question is asking us to show that a D is a feasible direction at any given point x in omega if and only if the A times D is equal to 0. Okay, so when we see this kind of question, asking us to show something, some statement is true if and only if the other statement is true, then we just need to show that this first statement implies the second, and the second statement implies the first. So first statement is that D is a feasible direction. Okay, and we want to show that it's equivalent to AD equals to 0. So for this direction, let's just suppose D is a feasible direction. Okay, assuming this is true. If D is a feasible direction, then that means for some small step size alpha, we can show that the x plus alpha d is still in omega. Right? That's the definition for feasible directions. So this is still in omega means that the omega is defined in this way. So it is a collection of all the points that satisfies Ax equals to b. So if this is in omega, that means A times this vector will be equal to b. Okay, so A times that will be equal to b. Now because x is in omega, so Ax equals to b. So this part is already equal to b, so that just means alpha times or A times alpha d is equal to 0, because alpha is a positive number, so the only possibility is that AD equals 0. Okay, and that implies this second statement. And now let's do the converse direction. So assume that AD is equal to 0. Okay, suppose AD is equal to 0. Then we know that for any alpha, positive alpha, we can show that when we apply A to x plus alpha d, so this is the x that we move along direction d for step size alpha, then this is a new point. Let's see if it's still in the omega. So if it's still in omega, that means this d is the feasible direction. Okay, so when we apply A to this, and that gives us Ax plus alpha ad. Because Ax equals to b and ad equals to 0, so this test tells us that it's just equal to b. And that means x plus alpha d is indeed in the omega, and d is a feasible direction.